In this video, we'll demonstrate how to fix the issue of ChatGPT not being available in your country. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to resolve this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Encountering an error that ChatGPT isn't available in your country can be frustrating. Here's a simple method to resolve it. If you're faced with the message indicating that ChatGPT is unavailable, you can bypass this by using a VPN. Here's what you need to do. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for a VPN. Download and install any VPN from the list available. There are various VPN options, so choose one and proceed with the installation. After installation, launch the VPN app. Enable it and select a different country from the list provided within the VPN app. For instance, you can choose Germany or any other country available. Once connected to the VPN server in the selected country, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website by searching for OpenAI and accessing ChatGPT. Sign up for an account or log in if you already have one and complete the necessary steps. By following these steps and connecting through a different country using a VPN, you should be able to access ChatGPT regardless of your current location. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more tutorials like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future uploads. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.